Have you ever had a movie idea you thought was worth $1 million? Well, what if you could actually make it without a giant Hollywood studio or a crazy budget? Get ready, because a brand new competition is here to prove that all you need is a powerful story and the right AI. The world of filmmaking is about to change big time. $1 million. Yeah, you heard that right. That is the grand prize for a single short film. This isn't just some small film festival prize. This is a massive statement. It's proof that AI in storytelling is here to stay. And they're not exaggerating. This is officially being called the biggest award for AI films on the entire planet. It's a huge signal that AI art is moving out of the experimental phase and into the mainstream. It's being taken seriously, and wow, is it being rewarded. So what's the big idea behind all this? Well, it's not just about showing off some cool new tech. It's really about celebrating a whole new way of making movies, a place where human creativity and artificial intelligence come together to create something we've never seen before. The competition is officially called the 1 Million AI Film Award, and its whole mission is to find those trailblazing filmmakers who are using AI to completely flip the script on what a short film can be. We're talking about a total reimagination of the format. And check out who's backing this thing. It's a team up between the 1 Billion Followers Summit, which is basically a hub for the biggest creators in the world, and Google. And Google is bringing their incredibly powerful Gemini models to the table. So yeah, this is the real deal. This is where top-tier content creation officially shakes hands with cutting-edge AI. Okay, so for all you creative minds watching, this is where you should lean in. If you were going to enter, what kind of story would you tell? The competition actually gives you two really interesting creative paths to go down. On one hand, you've got Rewrite Tomorrow. This is for the optimists out there, a chance to imagine our future, but with a positive spin. On the other hand, there's The Secret Life of, which is all about finding the hidden magic in everyday objects and telling their secret stories. Two totally different vibes, but both have so much potential. I wonder which one you'd pick. All right, with $1 million on the line, you know there have to be some rules. So let's break down exactly what you need to know if you're thinking about jumping in. The rules are actually pretty straightforward. Your film needs to be between 7 and 10 minutes long, and obviously it has to be AI generated. Now, here's the big one. You have to use Google's Gemini models to create the video. You'll get 2 whole months to make your masterpiece. And maybe the best part? It's open to anyone, anywhere in the world. 1 entry per person, 1 shot at $1 million. You know how it is. Timing is everything. So let's take a look at the timeline. This is the entire roadmap, from the day you can start submitting all the way to the winner's announcement. Okay, get your calendars ready. Submissions open up on September 23rd, 2025, and you have until November 20th to get your film in. After that, things move fast. The top 10 get announced on December 5th, and then it's opened up to a public vote. Then comes the really exciting part. The top 5 films get a premiere at the 1 Billion Followers Summit, and on January 11th, 2026, someone becomes a millionaire. So after hearing all that, the big question is, right, how do you get an edge? How do you even begin to master these AI tools, especially Google Gemini, to create something that could actually win? And that brings us to the most important part. Knowing all this is great, but being prepared to actually sit down and create something, that's a whole different ballgame. Look, whether you're seriously thinking about competing or you're just totally fascinated by this technology, you're going to want to be ahead of the game. For tutorials, deep dives, and everything you need to know about Google Gemini and AI filmmaking, you should definitely subscribe to the SmartSho AI channel. We're going to cover it all. It could be your first step to making something incredible, maybe even something worth $1 million. You know, all of this leaves us with a wild question about the future of movies. As these AI tools get more and more powerful, you have to wonder, are we going to see a day when a human-directed film goes up against an AI-generated film for the same Oscar? And if it does, who wins? Definitely something to think about.